Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. We are .jeg. I am Jabez Bautista.
Eric Maristela.
I am Glenda Disa.
And again, we are .jeg. And this, and we will be presenting you guys our business product, which is the Tonic Aerate. Feel the breeze, heal with ease. The smart fan that gives air with care. So according to the World Health Organization, or the WHO, the number of people exposed to extreme heat is growing exponentially due to climate change in all world regions. They also said that between the year 2000 to 2019, studies show approximately 489,000 heat-related deaths occur each year, with 45% of this are in Asia and 36% are in Europe. Unfortunately, the heat we're experiencing can also affect our mental health and well-being, potentially leading to increased irritability and aggression, sleep disturbance, cognitive impairment, anxiety, and also depression. That's why we came up with a solution, which is our product, the Tonic Aerate. Feel the breeze, heal with ease. The smart fan that gives air with care. This fan is an advanced technology with health with health focused features. It does not only cool our body, but also our mental health and well-being. To further discuss the features and how our product works, let's hear Eric Maricela.
Pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga features of our product, and we came up into this kind of features because hindi lang namin iniisip na magkaroon ng profit into this product, but also gusto namin yung pang long-term effect nito sa kalusugan ng mga consumers namin. And we have the adaptive speed control, which is the connected into energy saving and smart room sensing. We have the smart room sensing to sense if there's a human na nakikita ng aming appliances, and then it will adapt into its speed. Depende depende kung may tao o wala, or malapit yung tao o malayo, or and sa temperature ng room. We also have the quiet mode. Unlike into other competing product, uh, we mas quiet yung ano namin because we are using an aerodynamic blades, unlike into different products or appliances na kalaban namin. Mas pina-aerodynamic namin, so mas quiet ito. We also have the smart home integrations. Smart home integrations, meron tayong Apple and Alexa. And yun nga, air purification integrations. Mas inano namin ang HEPA purification namin, unlike to other competing product. Kung sila nakakaano sila ng around 90%, mas pinapataas namin yung purification ng air. Around 99% we're using an HEPA 14. And health mode. Health mode dito, according to World Health Organization, merong merong namamatay dahil sa stress o 720 every yearly. Uh, and then dahil sa stress, and meron kaming diffuser, which the scent diffuser na merong market of 1 billion, oh, 7.66 billion. So, na ini-expect na magiging 12.6 billion by 2032. And so, gusto namin makuha, ini-integrate namin yung scent diffuser sa bladeless fan. So, makukuha namin yung market ng scent diffuser and bladeless fan. So, pinag-combine namin yon. And para makikita rin namin yung long-term effect, tinitingnan rin namin yung long-term effect sa aming mga consumers. And yun nga, sa scent diffuser, according to Francesca Dalaar, nakaka-prevent ito ng nausea, headache, nababawasan yung headache. Meron ding auto shut off timer kapag ayaw mo nang pindutin, meron siyang auto shut off timer. Airflow directions. O tinitingnan yung tao kung saan yung tao, yung airflow nito lumiligo. And voice feedback, meron din siyang voice feedback. And then ayun na nga, nasabi na nga na air purification and health mode, unlike dash and pure cool. which focuses solely on air purification. This product combines purification with stress-reducing airflow patterns. Next. Market nasabi natin to sa market analysis na sa smart home integration na ginagamit, nagsusupport siya ng Google Home, Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. Sinusupport niya yung talo unlike sa others na Alexa lang or Google Home lang. So meron pa rin kaming advantage dito na mas pipiliin kami. So mas ano kami, mas dynamic, and kung ano man yung available sa kanila, magagamit nila yon sa aming product. Ito nga yung prototype namin. Kung makikita nyo, medyo magkamukha sila ng ibang mga product, but we have in-upgrade namin to. Meron siyang scent diffuser, which kung nakikita nyo yung mga hole na medyo malaking hole. Meron mga hole yan sa gilid na sobrang liit para maano yung mailabas yung air. Kasi ginagamit niyan, kung makikita nyo yung kulay pink, nandun yung blade, which is the aerodynamic blade. And kapag pumasok siya doon sa pataas, magkikreate ito ng negative airflow. So kapag lalabas niya sa mga butas na sobrang liit, magiging 16 times higher of yung bilis of airflow. And then, if magkaiba yung butas na 2, 4, 6, 8 na butas na yan na medyo malalaki, para sa scent diffuser yan. And then we have the LCD para sa modern looks and sleek look. Next.
So as I've said earlier, no, this smart fan is an advanced technology with health-focused features. Now, let's talk about the target market. No, so our target market are our target customers, conscious consumers. These are the people who prioritize wellness. No. Next are the allergy and asthma sufferers. These are the people who are sensitive. Next are the urban dwellers, people whose areas are with poor air quality and high heat. And next are the office workers or home workers who are prone to mental exhaustion due to their work. No. And lastly, the wellness-oriented professionals like therapists, coaches, and yoga instructors.
So, under naman sa finance, yung operational cost is nagko-cost siya ng 9 million. Then yung regulatory and certification naman is 14,500,000. So, yung total initial investment is nasa 23,500,000. Kung bubuuin yung product namin, bali magiging total cost per unit niya is 12,250. Then kung ibebenta siya sa marketplace, yung magiging retail price niya is 7,200 to 23,000. Initial revenue, pwede siya sa crowdfunding, which is itong ginagawa namin, naghahanap ng investors, then pre-orders and early retail sales. Yung covering ng portion of the production and market cost. Bali, yan yung magko-cover ng production and market cost na gagamitin para mabuo yung product na yun. Under 12 to 18 months, with increased brand recognition, bali, kung makikilala yung branding namin, total, parang kung naghahanap ka ng air purifier, na meron parang combination ng electric fan, pwede siya dito, bali, babalik din yung mga customers, yung strategic planning and revenue will surpass initial investment, achieving full ROI.
And kasi yung market value ng bladeless fan is 1 billion for 2023, and according to Business Research Insight na magiging 3 billion in 2032. So sa bladeless fan alone has a market value of 1 billion going into 3 billion, and according to Spherical Insight, 7.66 billion market of scent diffuser in 2022, and market size is expected to reach na 12.6 billion, so almost double, 40% of increase sa 30% diffuser naman. So, this market cap, kapag kinumbay natin to napakataas. What if we came up into this idea sa product na to kasi gusto namin matarget yung customers na gusto ng bladeless fan, ends, and diffuser. Or kahit isa lang yung gusto nila pero na-combine na doon, which is almost the same price na nasa market. So, pinababa yung price with two purpose. So, yun yung mga target customers namin. And we are the JEG.
And we are the .jeg. This is Tony Carate, air that cares for you. Thank you.